owls are a group of owls adapted to live near water, with species in Asia and Africa. They primarily hunt fish but also eat other small animals. And unlike most other owls, they have toothed talons for biting slippery prey and are less reliant on sound for hunting. Unlike most owls, their feathers are not soft and lack the specialized fingers for silent flight as they are less reliant on hearing. Their talons are rough spiked scales to help them hold on to slippery fish. They have prominent ear tufts and large yellow eyes with the bill positioned high on the face, which gives them a more